Up next is my favorite model in one of my favorite color schemes. This is a 2014 FL HTK Electra Glide Limited in colors Mysterious Red and Cayenne Red, also known as Dark Red and Darker Red. This is the first year of Project Rushmore. Vastly improved suspension and a big crowd pleaser, the 6.5-inch boom. It has AM/FM weather band radio, as well as GPS navigation and the ability to play music off of a different device. Memory stick, iPod, iPhone. Don't have to listen to the radio if you don't want to. This always comes up, which just means don't look at this while you're riding, except takes you to the radio. This bike has 7,024 miles as of today. That number will change as test rides ensue. I'll go ahead and play the pipes for you. Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle pipes. Not much louder than factory, but enough to get you noticed. 3-year-old bike with barely over 7,000 miles on it, and it looks and sounds like this. Just came out of service, just came out of Jamie's detail. Looking almost perfect. This limited is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.